It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day.
Howdy folks, so I'm back in the trailer again, and today is going to be a very boring day. So if you don't want to watch me taping, then you should not watch this video. Also, it's coming along. It is coming along. Oh my god. I'm learning a lot as I go too. As you can see, I got a lot of taping to do because I'm a rapper. Sometimes I dress clean and sometimes I'm a little bit dapper. I like to spit bars and sometimes I go slow, but I already know that I'm a rapper, yo. Anyway, so today is just gonna be rapping and taping. Rapping and taping, but probably mostly taping. Well, at least until the battery dies. So with that being said, I'm gonna put on some music. And then I am going to get my Reflectix. And then I am going to get to work. Well folks, after being in here for 2.5 hours, I finished one wall taping. That means I have approximately the front and the back. Yeah, no, two walls to go. The front and the back, and then maybe the ceiling. I may not tape the ceiling. I might just go right up with the Reflectix and the styrofoam foam board or whatever. Yeah, I finally finished the side. Another side. Boom, making progress slowly but surely. Yeah, so anyways, I hope y'all have a fantastic weekend. I normally post these on Sundays, but I might get this off tonight. Well, post this up tonight just so you guys can have something to look at for the weekend. It ain't much to look at, but it's something.